Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it. I'm back again with another video, my people. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all doing great. My people, may I get right into it. Uno need to hear this.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Opposition spokesman on finance Julian Robinson is urging the government to conclude wage negotiations with those public sector groups that have yet to sign agreements under the public sector restructuring exercise. Groups including dental surgeons, court reporters, and stenographers and staff at the UWI and UTEC have been restiffed in recent times due to the non-completion of their negotiations with the finance ministry. My viewers and subscribers, when I hear all them something, So the PNP urges the government to complete the wage talk with public sector groups. Me tell you no, Andrew Honest, they just like they always start something where they can't finish. You see when it come to apartments and all them something there, when you put his mind, his heart and his soul in it, and he make sure say everything up and running when it come to apartments. Cause remember, in apartments them, a money making thing, So he put it all in a head and make it seems like a way I do it for. I know we are do it for, brother. You understand? So now, see the opposition spokesman for the finance, Julian, come out and him attack. You understand? And when you start something and you can't finish it. My viewers and subscribers, me telling you say Andrew Honest can talk the talk, but he cannot walk the walk. I trick him them about wage. But he start to talk about wage and negotiate about wage and all them something there. Andrew Honest not like giving nothing. He not like giving nothing. And the money ain't for him, but he doesn't like giving away things. He like to receive and have everything for himself, for him and him party thief and cronies them. That's all he care about. You understand? And them a people are wait from how long he come up with it. I talk to the people them a negotiate about money and no. Nothing no come out, no agreement no come out for sign anything. Of course, Julian Robinson have a right to call him out. Me not blame him. I don't blame him, sir. Call him out. Always call out Andrew Honest because Andrew Honest is a general. A general. When I hear what me I tell you no, him a big general, a trickster. He just come with his sweet talk and trick everybody. And people now read between the lines and people now follow up Andrew Honest. That's why. You understand? That's why enough of them get checked. And una go wait till it's too late. When Andrew Honest dump we in a gutter, at that time when I go realize I ratted how we really do. We really stand up and allow all of this to happen to we. No man, we have to get up and stand up. But when I go stand up when it's too late, you understand me? So now tell me what you think. Put on your opinion in the comment section. Anyway, hear this. The church has not and will not retreat from being part of the socializing factor in communities across the country. That's the response of Custos for St. James and pastor of the Faith Temple Assembly of God, Bishop Conrad Pickin, to recent criticism levied by Director of Public Prosecutions, the DPP, Paula Lowen. You see the way how she enough, eh? You see the way how she enough, I blame she want come blame the people now, the church them now, and the community now, And that she a tried, but I fear damn self she for blame she and Andrew Honest and Horace Chang. Anyway, let me keep it moving. Additional to this, According to DPP Paula Lewin, the church has seemingly abandoned its role as an agent of socialization and positive values. She was speaking on the topic of domestic violence. When I hear them something, my viewers and subscribers, me say when I hear them something here, me come out yesterday, don't it, and tell you say, what me tell you about Horace Chang. Horace Chang now I try to blame the churches, the bishop, and all. You can't blame them because I want to see them one go buy out the people them. Horace Chang, I want to see them one go buy up all the churches them. Yes. You know from when you go wrong? You know from when the churches go wrong? One time I did the COVID time and the churches them allow them for you, make them use them facilities. And they saw everything get checked. Yeah. And look now, them are try to put the blame on somebody before they admit and put the blame on for them own self, you know. Before they put the blame on for them own administration, them are blame the church. Whenever see something, go see it, my viewers and subscribers, wanna look into this. Yesterday, I upload a video with Horace Chang come out, and I try to blame the church, and I try to blame the community, and then I blame themselves, you know. Them not blame it, so now them I try blame the churches. No, you can't blame the churches. You have to blame for yourself because you never put a crime plan in place. You think that we are idiot? You think that we are idiot? You know, so when you come around and I visit the people them for run, you know? And that the people them for do, you know? Because you no make one sense. Or you forget up and I blame the church. I'll Paula Lewin what she fi do, she not do. She better go mind her own business and come out of this because I don't know why she's still a DPP. You understand? I do not know why. But it is a reason why I say Andrew Holness have her there. You hear? It is a reason why Andrew Holness have her there. You can imagine? Them are people, you know, want blame for them administration, you know. They want blame the church. And I can't blame the church. Why? And I cannot blame the churches because from the churches go wrong, and I say it already, I'm going to say it again. From during the COVID time when they use enough of them facilities for do. Yeah? And from this of the church, they get checked. Yeah? And you have to know the church and politics no mix. I know for the pastor, them get involved in our politics, and that's the big problem. You understand me? So, when you have this at DPP, Paula Lewin focus on different things. Because where if you focus on, then I focus on. You have to go focus on Donnelly case. That's number one. Well, Noel Maitland, that if you go focus on. And if I want to do and do the right thing, and then you come out and come blame church. I don't go with no stupidness, but not blame church. Church where want to keep church where una lock off. Church where una say too much lies when people in the community are complaining. I said the church I make too much noise. Una gonna lock off church. I go enough to go in. I go enough to go in and leave the church alone. I want to go repent, and that's enough to go do. But to not blame church, I want to blame community. I want to self enough to blame you, the DPP, Andrew Holness, and Horace Chang. I whole want to forget blame because I want to feel the people miserably. Yes, I want to feel the people them big time. Big time. I want to feel the people them. Because what? I don't have a crime plan. Uno don't have a crime plan. That's why Uno feel the people them. And then they have Andrew Holness come out on platform and talk. Even though our crime rate is going down. What do you mean a crime rate go down? Crime rate is not going down one bit. Andrew Holness is easy, you know, about crime rate go down. No, crime rate is not going down. No make Andrew Holness come out by mainstream TV and check on no. Not a thing no go so. You understand me? My viewers and subscribers, wanna tell me what you think about this and put your opinion in the comment section. A 32-year-old police constable and his co-accused are scheduled to appear in the Clarendon Parish Court on Monday morning. Constable Jimok Ingram of Petulia Crescent in Longville Park, Clarendon, and 33-year-old Sheldon Harris, a car wash operator of Poinciana Way, also in Longville Park, have been jointly charged with murder and breaches of the Firearms Act. The charges stem from the shooting death of 59-year-old farmer Donette Lowe, also of a Longville Park address, on December the 27th. Reports from the Clarendon police are that about 4:45 a.m., two men, one armed with a gun, visited Lowe at his home and engaged him in a brief conversation. Shortly after, loud explosions were heard and the police were alerted. On their arrival, Lowe was seen lying in a pool of blood with gunshot wounds to his upper body. My viewers and subscribers, whoa, may I tell you now, this is like crime can't done. Crime cannot done. It just kept going on and on and on. When is this going to stop? You understand me? When is this going to stop? So my viewers and subscribers, so wanna hear it? A police, them involved in a whole heap of kind of, boy, I don't know what go on. Them always get themselves involved in a whole heap of things, in a murder and all them something there. But you know what? Me like how enough of them I go to jail. Yeah man, enough of them I get catch and I get find out because it is not right. You understand? Enough police are do wrongs and it not good. It is not good because you can't say you serve and protect, but then, you know, then you come out and murder people. No, sir, them something they're not right at all. Them something that is unacceptable. No, sir, you can't just do them type of things there when you feel like. Look for Noel. He's a police officer. And where is Donnelly? And him kill Donnelly. And what really are going with that? Then just a drag it. You understand? They're just dragging it. We don't even really know if Noel really in a jail. We don't even know. He probably there's somewhere living best life right now. We don't even really know what is happening with all that case. We just have to wait and see what go down. But when I try to say, no for them police to get themselves in a trouble. You understand? And mix up in a things. You know? And it is not good. It's either you're a bad man or you're a police. So you can't be bad man and be police. Them something then alright. You see me? But you know, tell me one thing still about this because this is heavy. You get me? This is really heavy. I just didn't want to know what really take place in the country. That is it. Alright, hear this. Residents of Hartford District in Westmoreland have blocked the main road to their community, impacting students who were scheduled to return to school for the new term. The demonstration started about 8 a.m. The residents claim that funding was allocated for repairs to the roadway from as far back as 2022. However, nothing has been done by the National Work Agency. My viewers and subscribers, this is why I have to come out and burn them. This is why I come out and burn them, you know. Because if funding was allocated for repairs to be done, yeah, where the money there? Where the money there? That means say things sign already and money hand over. So where the money there? You see, uno as some MP and no for uno councillor. No for uno no just come out and name out the money, you know. And no do what uno supposed to do, you know. No for uno. You understand? And the MP supposed to be blamed for all of this. The MP is supposed to be blamed for all of this. Because none of them, you see, they ain't get money to do what they're supposed to do. And they then take a fight for themselves and the next half, you see, they patch up one and two little place. You don't need to cut that shit out. You don't need to cut it out, man. My viewers and subscribers, the residents, they upset and they angry and they don't like what go on. You understand? You can't have patrol big in a road, in a migra road like a riverbed. When I hear them something there, my viewers and subscribers, I'm not taking that clip here because I say right now, man, when I say certain things, you know, they get me bringle. Taking this.
It is as if we're at the back, no road, no board.
Right!
The residents have blocked the road, which is causing a disruption to school
and to people going to work. But it is a needed protest. I'm asking them to just abide by the law, but the roads have been so bad, so the residents are crying out for help. The MP I know has allocated money to NWA from 2022 to fix the road, and until today, nothing has been taking place. Nothing is taking place. So we are asking the authorities to come and sort it out. This also the residents can go to school, so that the children can go to school, so residents can go to work, because this is a bad situation right now.
Taxi operator from Grange, south to Grange. All right, this is what we've been driving on. We're driving on an abandoned river. Look at it, people, look at it. Right through and through, from Wheel to Grange, come to Hartford Crossroad. Every day we've been spending. The money that we make, it is no use for us in our pocket or in our saving. It is going back on the vehicle. And that makes no sense. Transport authority is on us and the police is on us. Every day, examine every day. When we bring the vehicle to the depot, it costs me over and over. Every time it costs me. So we need some justice. Something needs to be served here for us.
So this morning, Monday morning, you have withdrawn your taxi service.
Our service, and the members of the citizen, we join with all of us taximen, because they are facing the problem just like we. The one foot, they can't even jump up and go. Look at this. Look how big is this. We can't even jump because afraid to slide. Look at this thing here. This is bad. This is not very good for us. This is not healthy for the people that can live here. Look over there. Look. This is not healthy. This is a way big disgrace. Look at it.
My viewers and subscribers, this is more than a disgrace. You hear me? More than a disgrace. Me tell you, say them people, man, they don't care about nothing. All I hear them talk about them a fix road, how much billion. Last year alone, on check how much time they say, how much money they send out for fix road, and how much road fix. And enough of the MP them a tell lie. Enough of them a tell lie. And if they do fix one road, a pitch and patch up one little place, and that's it. You run 2 car run over it, then it does mash up again. And it is not fair, because you have the whole of them out pan them, a ticket to people them, and all them kind of something there. You see them a big pothole in the road, it will cause accident, because anything can happen, and then them have to swing. And an accident can happen. So they have to be extra careful on the road also. But it's not fair. It's not fair for always come out after the people them when the road use the taxpayer money and fix the road. It is not fair. You understand? So I like how the residents then come out and speak up. A long time when you come out and more fi come out too. You need to come out and show the road. If you're afraid to talk, you video it and send it out and send it to the bloggers them. Make we post that. You understand me? Because it is not right. A full time now. Full time now. You don't do this. You get me? It is not right, man. It is unacceptable. Every time when I charge the people them money, I ticket the people them for this and that, and how much money them have to pay out for this and that, and the road looks so. So when all them ticket money they pay, what wanna do with that the money there? Would I like for know? Wanna do with that the money there? Plus when I get taxpayer money, so what wanna do? Last year alone, over 80 billion and your wellness collect. See, I tell me, say, I know road no fix and nothing no done. Not a thing no done. So, boy, sometimes I don't understand. And these are the people, you hear people come out and defend. Because them express the way how them feel, and them feelings, towards the Prime Minister. They now come out and show expression for what is really happening in the country. They get vexed and start to cuss you because they feel some type of way, because you tell off Andrew honest and I show him up. I go on to go with that too. And I realize a man of phone idol. Yeah. Man of phone idol. Because uno just a praise and a worship Andrew honest. All when uno see the thing now work in front of uno still say Andrew honest is a good Prime Minister. Uno not say sound crazy. My viewers and subscribers, wanna tell me how you feel about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share out the video, and subscribe to my channel. And remember, if you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe and feel free to press the notification bell and click all. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Hot Off for the Press. Bless upon a nice clean self. I'm out.